this third?
Yeah. Hurry! Hurry!
Bastard!
Hurry!
Oh shit!
You gotta be quicker than that, buddy.
Let's go! I'm so excited. Why is that music enabled? What the fuck? My game's haunted.
When are they adding zombies to Tarkov?
Fuck, fuck.
In the car, dead. Ammo team?
I was in such a fuck spot. Did you see me? Did you see where I was?
Yeah.
How did I not die? Cheeky breaky. Here, take this.
Dude, I literally didn't hear anybody. I was fucking trying to hide his gun and then.
Oh, this office looks so pretty.
Goodbye, world.
Oh, great.
I'm up top.
Okay. I just kill Ani.
Yes.
Oh my god, I just got pieced.
You're dead?
Yeah.
I killed them both. I don't know which door is unreachable.
Oh, hello there.
What? What?
He's in the door here. Kill them both. Hey guys, no need to shout.
No! No!
I'm actually dead. He's cheating. Hip-hop.
From where?
Two. He's dead. Killed me.
No, man.
Server.